Hi guys, so I have another swap reveal and this is for my favorite things group swap. And here are the requirements. You can pause if you want to look at these more closely. You can zoom in if you need to. This is also on my Instagram, and my swap from today comes all the way from Australia. I love all of my Australian crafty friends. And this comes from Cheryl. And I want to show you guys the inside of the box because this is the prettiest shred. Let me show you. Look how pretty this is, you guys. Look how pretty. It has like gold and all these colors. It's so pretty. Okay. All right, so let's get into this. So let me see what we have here. There's a, oh my gosh, a gorgeous card. Oh boy, and a wax seal. Oh my goodness, I don't know who that's for. Oh, there's two. Okay, so it says one's for me. Yay, one's oh my gosh, you guys, look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. So I think that card, this one says swap partner. Okay, so I think that the card is for me. Let's just see. I'm going to try to open it gingerly because just in case it isn't. Grateful for you. Ooh, she made this card. This is beautiful. You guys, look at this envelope. Oh man. I can't wait to know what paper collection this is. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this card and all the layers. She embossed this back level. Okay, let's see. Is this for me? Or is this for her swap partner? No, it's Lisa. Okay, it says. Oh, and she left it for me to use. So she said, hi, Lisa. Thank you for allowing me to join your My Favorite Things swap. This is my second swap so far on YouTube or anywhere. I've watched a lot of challenges and swaps on YouTube and thought how much fun they are and would love to participate and connect with fellow crafters from afar. I've made one for my swap partner and one for you. The card is yours to keep for yourself or gift. The paper collection is from Uniquely Creative. Oh my gosh, Patchwork Roses, my all-time favorite collection. I really enjoyed creating for the swap. It was so much fun. Looking forward to watching all the reveals and receiving mine. Cheers, Cheryl. So Cheryl is butterflies and bows paper crafts. Oh my goodness, man. So uniquely Creative is an Australian company. So this is a an Australian paper collection that she used, which is probably why I don't recognize it, and also why I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let me open mine. It says Lisa on it. So pretty. So she put this pretty blue ribbon on here. Yeah, this inside. The swap is inside of this adorable, so cute little tote. Oh my gosh, look at the flowers. So pretty. I see her, ooh, oh my gosh, look, you guys, she personalized a notebook for me. How? Oh, okay. So this is the, I was trying to take this out. This is the little like bookmark. And look, she made like, it has like a little bow at the end of it and it's hanging off of here. How pretty is this? She made one for me. It says LeaveItToLisaCrafts on it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And it's made with chipboard. It's super sturdy. And she probably used like maybe a cinch machine or some kind of binding machine. How pretty is this? And look, it has handmade by Cheryl. I think it's Petery. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, I'm so glad that you made the notebook with the same as this gorgeous. I'm like, I have to save this, and I will not be using this. Oh, please, I couldn't possibly. It's too pretty to use. And look in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how pretty this is. So first she like made this little tote with the same paper, and then she put this little bow on it that has like all of this pretty like yarn and trim. And then look, she even put like a little cluster here, a little embellishment cluster, and a little butterfly that she put these 3 pearls on, and it says love to create. So pretty. Look at the back. Oh my goodness. And then inside we have a bunch of stuff. A bunch of stuff. Oh, look at this. So she also hung this, oh my gosh, it's one of those little bottle cap embellishments. How pretty is this? But she made it into kind of like a little dangle. Wow, this is so pretty. So pretty. I can see why this is your favorite paper collection. It is stunningly gorgeous. It is beautiful. I love it too. Okay, so then she made all kind of stuff, you guys. Okay, so she did a tag flip. I'm gonna move this over to the side. She did a tag flip and she has a little bow here, and she also has some ribbon at the top. And this is a little tag that says Crafty. How cute is this? That's super cute. Super duper cute. And then she has some ephemera that she put an eyelet through. Easily distracted by craft supplies. Story of my life. My goodness. It says so much fun. Working on my PhD. Projects half done in crafting. My PhD in crafting. Projects half done. So cute. And then this is popped up on a tag here. So cute. And then this says made with love. Okay, this is separate from the tag flip. This one says girls. So this must be so those must be her her favorite dyes. Those must be her favorite dyes. They're so cute. This one, I think this is a Scrap Diva dress. This dress is from Scrap Diva. She even embossed the background of it. And this paper on top is so pretty. This is pretty, pretty, pretty. And then she has some of this trim, which is so pretty. And then some of these embellishments, which I saw these. Julie, who's also from Australia, because the Uniquely Creative, yeah, I see. So it's .com.au. So yeah, it's an Australian, exclusively Australian company. They do stamps, kits, and dies, and paper. Yeah, this is so pretty. These are so pretty. And you can use them like in this pattern or just like separate. You know, you don't have to use them in this way. And then she also made these wax seals. Oh, so she made the wax seals that she put on here. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Made with love. These are so pretty. Look at this one. I want to look at this this pink one. Here, hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know that I have never made a wax seal. I know that, but I don't know if I've ever held a real one that someone made. Look at this one. These are so pretty. They are so pretty. And look, she even put like the little sticky back on them so that you can just use them. These are gorgeous, stunningly gorgeous. Love, love, love these. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Love. And then she also made this embellishment. Oh, it's a rosette. Okay, let's look. Let us look. So look, it's so pretty. So it's a rosette in the background. It has this really pretty edging on it. And then she put some tulle and then just some ephemera, which I'm not sure. I'm thinking it probably, the paper comes with ephemera, or she maybe got it from somewhere else. And she just like layered it up, and she put some of the little blingy things that she gave, and a flower with bling on the inside. And it says noted. This is so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. So pretty. And then, ooh, she made it. Okay, so this is another one of her Crafter's Choice items. She made a glue bottle topper, and she gave you the glue bottle, but you can put your own glue in it, which I love. And it's funny because this is my first one because I don't have one of these. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look how she wire wrapped some beads and then just hung them from here, and she glued it onto here. Oh, that's how, because I'm like, how do people make these? They are beautiful and so much easier to find. Like, it's so much easier to find this than to find just this little pin. I'm always losing my glue, my glue bottle topper. And I love that she gave the glue bottle that goes with it, so then you can put whatever glue you want in there. That's so nice. And then, oh, so she made some more of these. These are so pretty. This is such an interesting dye. I've never seen this dye before. And it makes like, it's almost like a bottle top. Like there's stuff on the, it's like there's stuff on the inside though. It's so, this is such an interesting, it's so pretty. I have never seen anything like it. And I think she stamped on them and then made them into this Never Let Anyone Dull Your Sparkle. I love this so much. Beautiful day, make today amazing. Remember, these are so pretty. I love these. Oh my gosh, yeah, I've literally never seen, and that's rare for me because my nose is everywhere. I'm always looking at everything. This is amazing. These are beautiful. What are these called? Cheryl, tell us what these are called or where you got these from. These are so pretty. It's almost like a bottle cap, and there's like, she put like something inside to make it like hard, you know? They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then this must be one of her favorite crafting tools. And this is one of those So when you do, people that do like diamond painting, this you can stick in wax, and then you can pick up all your little beads, and then you can also do the same on this side, I think. I think that's what you do on this side too. Like you pick up little things with it. And then this one, I think if you dip it enough in wax at the tip, then it becomes kind of sticky and you can pick up stuff with it. And I think that's what you're supposed to do with these. It's so pretty too, blue, and it matches so perfectly. And then, oh, I love Cadbury. Oh boy. Oh, so this is white chocolate, a golden blend of caramel. I've never had this one. So the Cadbury that we have here is different than the Cadbury they have there. And I love Cadbury just generally, but the Australian Cadbury is next level. It's next level. I know because Alicia sends me Cadbury. Oh my goodness gracious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. And we have more stuff in here. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So look at this embellishment. This is kind of like a memory dex. So it has... Okay, so look at this. I'll tell you guys what it says on the back. So look at this little sewing machine. It is beautiful. Yeah, this definitely comes with the collection because it's like a miniature version of that paper. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty, and it's a shaker. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. I love this die. So, so pretty, and it has her info. So it says, so her socials, oh, so she has YouTube too. So she's Butterflies and Bows Papercraft. She's on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Her birthday is January 25th. Her favorite colors are sage, pink, blue, mint, purples, teals, and pastels. Her crafty hobbies are all things paper crafts, mini albums, journals, folios, scrapbooking, cards, as well as resin and sublimation. Ooh, nice. And I'm going to hide her address, but look how pretty this paper is on the back. So you can kind of see the die a little better. So, so nice. And this is her, it's Butterflies, Bows, and Crafts. But I'll put the link to everything in the description bar. Oh my gosh, Cheryl, thank you so much for joining my swap. I know that it is so costly to mail stuff from Australia and to take part in swaps. You know, they have to, like when you are shipping internationally, you have to be ready earlier than everyone else, and then you have to wait longer than everyone else for the swap to come back, and it's just like such a sacrifice. And so thank you so much for joining, and you guys make sure you go follow Cheryl on all of her socials. I'll put the links to everything in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch this reveal and all the others, the link to the playlist will be in the description bar as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.